In this video, we will see how to fix iPhone home button not working. If your iPhone home button not working properly, then here are the fixes. Unlock your iPhone first and here tap on settings. Here scroll down and look for the option accessibility. Tap on it and here tap on touch and first tap on assistive touch and turn on. If your iPhone home button not working properly, then you can work easily like as home button through assistive touch. So turn on assistive touch in between your iPhone home not working properly. Now go to fixes and the first workaround is tap on settings again and here tap on settings. Here scroll down, tap on accessibility. Tap on side button. You will also find if your iPhone is old model then home button, otherwise choose side button. In this iPhone 15 model, side button option is available under physical and motor section. So tap on side button and make sure that click speed is set as default. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again go to settings, tap on general and tap on software update. Checking for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it in your iPhone. The next method is there is a possibility of your home button or side button having dust. So remove the cover of your iPhone and clean it properly.